How to transfer money between your Discover bank accounts on desktop. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So if you need to move money between your Discover accounts, well here is how to do it on desktop. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open any web browser and now here once inside, you can just click on the search bar and simply search for Discover Bank. And now here on the search result, just click on the first link and after that, you'll be prompted to the official website of the Discover Bank. Now here you simply have to log in with your account and once logged in from your account dashboard, you simply have to select the account you want to transfer money from and then click on transfer money or move money in the account menu. And after that, you simply have to choose the account you want to transfer to and enter the amount and select the transfer date. And with that, you need to review the details carefully and then click submit or confirm to complete the transfer. And after that, you'll get a confirmation message showing that the transfer was successful. And that's it. That's how you can transfer money between your Discover bank accounts on desktop. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.